One of the great additions to the RoadSaver that the Etnyre Bearcat family have brought to this is the electronic control systems and the wiring. The machines in the past were wired on the machine, and that was difficult. When it came to troubleshooting, there were large wire bundles, things that were doable but difficult when it came to managing a failure that might have happened somewhere down the road. The control package here, I'll show you what it looks like. This is a very clean system. This control panel is built in a clean room. It's laid out consistently, beautiful every single time. They double check the boxes. It has really improved the game when it comes to our wiring system. The two controls in the system allow us to have operational control and control area network as a separate entity. In future evolutions, it'll probably become one. We've got a main system solenoid that allows us to get high amperage through the system, but with a safe two-part controls. We get power control in the back and power control in the cab. If there's something that goes on, either the driver or the operator both have the ability to shut the system down. On the back, you'll see we've got the block up there of fuses. Easy to see, easy to get to. So if we have an issue, the maintenance on that is very simple. You'll also see down here, we've replaced the old automotive relays with DIN rail relays. They're much more, much smaller, easier to tie into our system, very clean and easy to maintain. So overall, the system is much easier to look at and to maintain and troubleshoot if we have something that goes on. At the bottom, you'll see there's a lot of different harnesses. In the past, if we had a wiring harness issue, it was one giant wiring harness. It was difficult to get to maintain. Here, we can easily plug and play. We can remove a section of the harness out, replace it. The name of the game is getting the customer back in operation as quickly as possible to get the machine back performing. This is designed specifically with that in mind. So it's a nice control. The other parts of this we'll get into later on the videos.